Hey guys, it's Ray Alvarez, Shoot with Ray. Welcome to another video. Today we're outside. I got the mic in my hand just because it's a little windy out here. We're at the beach and we're gonna be working today, creating some portraits on the beach, some creative stuff, and super excited to share with you guys the behind the scenes of this video. Today I'm swagged out. Is that the words that the teenagers using nowadays? I am literally wearing Shoot with Ray sandals. But yeah, I'm swagged out today. I'm decked out, whatever you want to call it, with Shoot with Ray gear. Got the hat, sandals, not the shirt. Let's get to this video, guys.
Since the air is moving that way, also think about that, like the air, your hair.
Yeah.
Oh, I know.
So just stay right there, Stay right there, because I got the light on you. Let me see. Stay right there for me. I'm just going to test right now. We're just testing, okay? So don't do nothing yet. Let me get a close-up of that. I'm just gonna go to close. Okay, so I decided to go with the 50 millimeter 1.8. I didn't have the ND filter for this. I thought I did, but I didn't. I came super unprepared. And today here on the beach, we're using the X Pro 600 SE. The reason for that is the 200 is just not gonna cut it. It's not enough power. It's already 3 o'clock. I mean, it's already 4 o'clock. The sun is still super high. It's still super bright and powerful. And the only thing that can match that will be a 600 watt strobe. I was gonna put the big 48-inch on this as well, the 48-inch mag mod. I decided not to go that route because it's just gonna be a big sail. It's gonna be a big umbrella that's just gonna fly away. I'm short one assistant today, so we're just gonna rock with the 48, my trusty 48 mag mod, and of course the trusty Cheetah Stand C10 that we have here. Go back to what you were just doing. No, yeah, whatever you was gonna do that. Yeah, there you go, perfect. Just like that. And then just real quick, does this look okay right here for you? Is that looking all right there? Yeah, okay.
Like hold it?
Like that, yeah. Right there, that's perfect. Much better. Hold it right there. Hold that thought, stay right there, okay? I'm gonna move this light. Follow me. Hold this right here. Thank you. All right, you ready for me? There you go. Let me just test that out now that I move the light. One more time. Here we go. Yeah, so you're gonna hold the camera, it's super bright. Okay. You're gonna hold the camera and put your eye in there. Just take the spinning wheel, kind of spin it left. You gotta put your eye all the way in there.
I see.
Let me know if we got some winners.
Beautiful.
Nice. All right. There you go, much better. Hold it right there. Let's see how this looks real quick. Hold on. Love it. We're gonna let that rave come in, okay? Stay right there. Love that. That wave's coming in. Hold on one sec. I lied, it ain't coming. It's not coming. Look away while you're doing that. Wonderful. Let's see what it looks like if we do that same style right where you are, but turn more towards the light. Turn more towards the light. Nope, this way. Yep, face the light more. A little bit more if you can. There you go. And the water's coming in. Set up, set up. I like to hear it.
Yeah.
All right, I think I'm gonna whip out the 70 to 200. I was talking to you. What do you think? Huh?
Are you gonna say something?
Nah. Oh, that's a sweet spot with lighting right there. We're good. We're golden. All right, you ready?
Ready.
I'm ready for you now. Let's do it. Every single time you hear it beep, it means it's ready, okay? I'm gonna wait for that water right there. Nice. Step a little closer to the light if you can when you do that. There you go, perfect. 1, 2. Perfect. It's looking good. Here, do you want to check them out real quick before we go on? Yeah, just take off of them real quick. It's a little heavier this time. It has a different lens. So you guys know, as you've seen in my other videos, the reason I showcase it is just to make sure we're on the same page. If she doesn't like it, then I'll go back home, and then she doesn't like it there, we just wasted a whole shoot. We wasted a whole time. She loves them. That means we'll keep going.
Easy peasy breezy. Popping out the 48.
24 is just not cutting it for me. So we're gonna work with this one instead. It's gonna be a perfect softbox. The bigger, the softer. The closer, the softer. Always remember that, guys. You want that even, perfect lighting. The sun is kissing her on her right side, our left, and this is just gonna kiss her on the right side, her left. All right. All right, you ready, girl?
Ready.
All right, I'm ready for you too. Here we go. Okay, a little closer. America's next big watch. Right there. Nice, I really did like that last one. That was pretty cool. Stay right there. I'm gonna get some close-ups too, so stay right there. Don't move. Just gonna work like some close-ups like this. Ready? Love it. So guys, I swapped the 24 mag mod for the 48. At first I was a little hesitant about it, but I'm like, fuck it, I need to make this happen, because here's the thing. The larger the softbox, the softer the light. The closer the softbox to your subject, the softer the light. I know that makes no sense, but put it into practice, play around with your lighting, and you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. I like to shoot wide open, so it's letting a lot of light in, both for ambient and flash. And then what I do is I just look for that sweet spot. And once you get it, you'll see it. I also, if you notice on the video, I did feather the lighting a little bit. So Emily was sitting right in this area, and as you can see, the light was feathered. It wasn't directly on Emily. It was feathered this way. And what that does is, yes, I'm wasting power. Yes, I'm wasting light, but not all of that light that's coming out of this source is gonna land on her. Only some of it, and it's gonna be even softer. All right, guys, so as you can see, if I let this thing go, there's a slight possibility that this thing might just fly away. And if I face the front side of the reflector towards the wind, which the wind is blowing in this direction right now, this thing is definitely flying. You need some muscles to make sure that this thing doesn't turn easily. Look, I'm literally fighting this thing right now. So, recommendation would be that if you're ever gonna do a beat shoot, don't do it by yourself, bring an assistant. Today, like I said, my assistant called out sick, so I really couldn't have one, but we're improvising. Luckily enough, Emily has someone here helping her out, which she volunteered to hold up the light stand. So in this case, always deal with a strong light stand, none of that cheap stuff you find on Amazon. That's like 30 bucks. You gotta deal with the real deal here. This is a Cheetah Stand C10, super strong. It's keeping its weight down here. If I have some sandbags, it might help even more, but that's one of the recommendations I have. Kind of want to mess around with some hard light, and I also want to give the assistant here a little break. So let's see what that looks like. So the Magma 48 had some soft lighting to it. This is a more hard light component. It's easier to travel with, it's easier to use. We just have to be very directional with it. So there you go. And then what you do too is you kind of pop it once just to test it out. Since the model's gonna be right there most of the time, this is a good spot for it. And then you could either use the Mag Spear that comes with it, made for the Mag-Mod XL. This is gonna disperse the lighting even more. Or you can go ahead and use the grid, one of the grids that comes with it. I have a few extra ones to control the swirl of light more and be more directional. Let's try it out with that light right there. All right, guys, we wrapped up the shoot with Emily. I hope you guys learned some stuff with the lighting that we use here today in this shoot. As always, I appreciate you watching. I'll see you in the next one.